Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page on Informates. In this particular but a very short video, I will tell you some side effect of a clonazepam. So we are going to start on the side effect of a clonazepam. So if you are using clonazepam, you may have some side effect. So what are these side effects? So first of all, if you are using clonazepam, so dizziness may be there, fatigue may be there, drowsiness and depression may be there. In some people, memory problem is also there, and nervousness, blurred vision, difficulty in speaking. So it is very common. And besides this, there is maybe increase salivation, serious side effects, just like suicidal attack or suicidal thoughts. So this is, I think, a very serious side effect of clonazepam tablets if you are using, because most of the people thinking about this. So in other words, this is a difficulty in breathing, increase lung recession is also a very side effect of clonazepam if you are using this. So most of these side effects do not require any kind of medical treatment. So if and they will disappear once you have adjusted to the dose. But if any of these conditions persist, please go to doctor, because don't use this kind of tablets. So maybe there may be more side effects. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. See you again next time in my new videos. Thank you.